Or do you see the balloon? Oh, this one in the corner. Okay, should we start over? My name is Todd Lemons. I'm the Vice President of Quality Assurance for LERETA. I live in Southern California. One of the things that will kill you when you're automating tests is the speed of execution. It means everything. When you're running tests in a development pipeline, you need those results to come back in under 10 minutes, preferably 2, 3, 4 minutes. So every second, every half second you can shave off the test is paramount. That's how you beat your competitors. HyperExecute, that's where the innovation is. The premise behind HyperExecute is that they will significantly decrease your execution times. So it cuts out all the network traffic that's needed to run that test automation. It's basically taking a long journey and putting everything in one area and cutting down all the network latencies. What we've seen in our testings of HyperExecute is that it does significantly decrease your execution times. You can just click a button, run your test, and it's just a much more efficient way of managing test environments. LambdaTest, what they're providing is improving your speed of tests and doing it in a manner that's very customer focused. So if your problem is, I have a bunch of tests, they take 6 hours to run, you should absolutely try HyperExecute. It's worth it to engage with them to give it a try.